The Xmerch CLI lets anyone launch a donation page on Xahau in just a few minutes. In this video, we'll cover how to do it step by step using the Xaman wallet. Here, I'll be working in VS Code within a new project folder where I have Node.js already installed. First, I'll install pnpm by writing npm install-g pnpm. If you get a permissions error when installing pnpm, just add sudo in front of the command. Then, I'll install the Xmerch CLI by running pnpm add-g xmerch. Once installed, I'll create the project by running xmerch create my-app. When prompted, I'll hit enter to select the Xbase template. This generates a fresh Xbase project with all the files we need to get started. Next, enter the project by writing cd my-app. Now, we need to get our Xaman Wallet API key and secret. I'll log on to apps.xaman.dev in a browser and sign in by scanning the QR code with my Xaman wallet. Here, I'll enter a name and description and press Create Application. On the next screen, we can see the API key and the API secret. I'll save these so we can add them to our project in the next step. Then I'll press Open. Next, I'll open the Xapps tab and enable the Xahau network. This allows the dApp to create payloads on Xahau, which is required for the donation page. Back in the terminal, I'll open the env.local file by writing nano.env.local and paste the Xaman API key, secret, and wallet address here. Then I'll save the file. Next, I'll start the development server with pnpm dev. Once it starts, I'll open the app by visiting the localhost URL in my browser. Now live on Xahau mainnet, here I can now select a donation amount. Click Donate and sign the transaction. Here we can see the funds have landed in the wallet that we specified earlier in the env.local file. With the dApp now successfully running locally, it's ready to be deployed to a web hosting service like Evernode. Evernode uses Docker, so you'll need to have Docker installed and running before deploying. To test it out, back in the terminal, I'll run xmerch deploy -docker -dry-run. This dry run goes through all the deployment steps and confirms everything is set up correctly. Once Docker and your environment variables are configured, you can do the full deploy to Evernode. So that will conclude this video. Thanks for watching.